Some couples only live together as a roommate, which is totally bad. All the wife does is just to cook, take care of house, etc. All the husband does is to provide for the house, acts like the boss of house, and asks for sex whenever he feels like. Some even only ask for sex from their wife, when they feel like it's time to have another baby, and women thought it is a taboo to ask their husbands for sex when they feel horny, whereas some are shy to do so. In some marriages, there is nothing like essence, romancing, going on date, attending events together, praying together, studying the word together apart from the general family retreat. This has led many women to the arms of strange men, although that is not an excuse to commit adultery. Spoil each other with romance. Write love letters to your spouse and put it in his or her pocket or handbag. Call your spouse lovely names. Tease them. Touch your spouse as you like. Don't wait till during sex alone before you can feel your spouse's skin. Despite your busy schedule, find time to send romantic texts to your spouse. Touch your spouse in a romantic way. Sing or play love songs to your partner and dance together in your bedroom. Don't do only missionary style alone. We have varieties of sex styles that are mind-blowing. Stop being boring during sex. Don't be too serious with your spouse. You're not at the war front row. Marriage is sweet. Let your spouse be your best friend. Enjoy every moment of your life with your spouse before it's too late. Hope you liked the video, so hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.